Hey everyone, and welcome back to Edmevo. I'm Shalin.
And I'm Manasvi. If you're a fan of K-pop, K-drama या Korean का incredible culture, then it's natural to wonder what studying in South Korea would be like.
Well, the good news is South Korea is one of the most exciting and the fastest growing state for studying abroad. तो आज के वीडियो में हम यही जान रहे होंगे कि आपको साउथ कोरिया क्यों चूज करना चाहिए rather than other countries for your study abroad purposes.
So let's dive in. The first reason to study in South Korea is its world-class education, and currently South Korea technically भी काफी grow कर रहा है. एंड यहाँ पे इनोवेशंस भी बहुत फास्ट पेस्ड वे में हो रहे हैं, सो इट्स अ इनोवेशनल हब टू अलोंग विद रिसर्च. कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक सोल नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड योनसी यूनिवर्सिटीज, दीज आर कंसिस्टेंटली रैंक बेस्ट अमंग द वर्ल्ड.
And it's not just about the academics. Basically, South Korea को हम एक global hub of innovation मानते हैं, especially in the fields of technology and engineering. This means आप एक ऐसे environment में बड़े हो रहे होगे जो कि technically काफी आगे है, and you will graduate with the skills that are high in demand in the job market. And especially if you're talking about South Korea, we have to mention the K-pop and the K-dramas. तो आप अगर साउथ कोरिया में पढ़ रहे होगे so you will be living in that environment only. That K-pop culture will be all around you. So if you are into something like that, you will be enjoying that. And if you're someone who loves non-veg, then definitely kimchi and Korean barbecue is something you will enjoy. And basically साउथ कोरिया में आप बहुत सारे ancient places explore कर रहे होगे, साथ में आप modern skyscrapers भी explore कर रहे होगे, and you will be exploring these things all in one city.
And don't worry about the language barrier too much. See, यहाँ कोरियन लैंग्वेज सीखना is definitely a plus point for you. बट बहुत सी यूनिवर्सिटीज ऐसी भी हैं जो अपने इंटायर कोर्स और प्रोग्राम सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में पढ़ाती हैं, राइट? सो दिस मेक्स इट अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग देयर जर्नी. साउथ कोरिया इज होम टू ग्लोबल जायंट्स लाइक सैमसंग, एलजी, हुंडई एंड किया. So studying in a country like South Korea आपको बहुत बड़ा advantage दे सकती है to start your career या फिर finding your internship opportunities with these top companies.
Absolutely, and the government of South Korea is making it easier for international students to stay. तो जब आपकी graduation हो जाती है, then you are having ample of time to search for the post study work options. आपके पास बहुत सारे post study work options रहते हैं which allows you to stay. Now this will kickstart your career, and you will be able to make your position in one of the world's most dynamic economy.
So how do you get in? The process is very straightforward. आपको अच्छे academic transcript चाहिए, एक strong statement of purpose चाहिए, and sometimes you even require portfolio depending upon your program. See, for language आपको English language proficiency test लगेगा like IELTS और TOEFL, या फिर Korean proficiency test लगेगा like TOPIK if your course is in Korean language.
And scholarship, yes. डेफिनेटली कोरिया में बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. अब या तो ये कोरियन गवर्नमेंट बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप्स हो सकती है, या तो कोई यूनिवर्सिटी का स्पेसिफिक स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम के थ्रू आप ये सारी स्कॉलरशिप अवेल कर सकते हो. सो येस, डोंट लेट द कॉस्ट थिंग बी अ वरी. These things can be managed.
The student visa for South Korea is called D2 visa, and इसकी process काफी simple है, and आपको कुछ documents लगेंगे like your university certificate of admission. After this आपको लगेगा अपना proof of financial stability, and after that you need all your academic documents. So with the right guidance, it's a very smooth process.
And that's where we come in. At Edmevo, we will be guiding you through every single step, from shortlisting your perfect university to preparing your visa documents.
So to sum it up, a world-class education, incredible culture and great career prospects all await you in South Korea.
So if you are ready to turn your K-drama a reality, we are here to help you turn it into a plan. We will handle the paperwork so you can pack your bag and fly to Korea.
DM us South Korea or click the links in the description below. We are here to help you in your South Korea journey. Thank you.